Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear friends, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of the syllabus, which is algebraic identities, and in that class we take and solve some important questions based on that topic. Now, dear friends, in today's class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what Heron's formula. This is one of the most important chapter, and you know that what is the by the help of the Heron's formula we just find the area of triangle ABC when all of its three sides are given. Dear student, we know that very common formula to find the area of triangle. We know that we have area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. This is a very common formula to find the area of triangle when its base and height are given, and you know that here suppose that ABC is a triangle, and suppose that here is its altitude and its height, then in that case we apply that formula, means 1 upon 2 base in means BC into height means H. So in that condition we apply this formula, and in this way we find the value of area of triangle ABC. Now when all of its three sides are given, then we have to use the Heron's formula. Let's see. We use the Heron's formula. Suppose that we have a triangle. Suppose that we have a triangle ABC in which all of its three sides A, B, and C are given. All of its three sides are given. Then the Heron's formula is means area of triangle is given by the formula S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter of the triangle, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, and A, B and C are all of its three sides, and the semi-perimeter is calculated by the formula A plus B plus C upon 2. That is S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay? A plus B plus C upon 2. This is the formula for the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay? Now, so S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is the formula for semi-perimeter of the triangle. This is one of the most important formula, which is okay. So in this way, by the help of this formula, we find the value of semi-perimeter, and after finding the value of semi-perimeter, we put all the values. Okay, now dear friend, we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Look, the question is find the area of triangle find the area of triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see its solution. Now look. In that question we find the area of triangle, okay, whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. So here, so first of all let its sides A is 13 centimeter, B is 14 centimeter and C is 15 centimeter. C is 15 centimeter. And dear students, now what I do for that? Dear students, first of all we find a semi-perimeter. Since its semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2, that is S is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. So we get what? Look, 22 upon 2, that is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 2. So thus dear student, S is equal to 21 centimeter. S is equal to 21 centimeter. This is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, what we find? We find the formula for, we find the area of triangle. Okay. Thus, area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So now we put the value of S, A, B and C. Okay. This is 21 into 21 minus A is what? 13 into 21 minus B means what? 14 into 21 minus C is what? 15 respectively. We just first we put the value of A as semi-perimeter A, B and C. Now we simplify this. So we get, look, this is 21 into, this is what? 7 into, this is what? 7, no, here, this is here 8 is left, na? Where here 8 is left, here 7 is left, okay, and here this is 21 minus 15, this is 6 is left. So in this way we get that value. Now we can write in this way, 21 we can write 7 into 3, this is 4 into 2, 7 write as it is, that is 3 into 2, 3 into 2. Now look, here 7 is in pair, the number 7 is in pair, so 7 is common out from the square root, and 3 is also in pair, so 3 is also common out. 4, the square root of 4 is what? 2, and 2 is also in pair, so we take 2 as common. So after multiply them, 21 into 2 to the 4, to 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 8, this is 84 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So please, this is one of the most important questions, so please dear students do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Now we take some other important. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. Two sides which are two sides which are 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. Now let's see its solution. So in finding the area of triangle, first of all we have all three sides of the triangle, and we know that the perimeter is equal to what? Sum of its all sides. So look, since perimeter is equal to sum of its all sides, means a plus b plus c. Okay, so that is the perimeter is given. Let us come here. We take two sides which are, we take a is equal to 8 centimeter and other side b is equal to 11 centimeter. 11, two of its side, 8 centimeter and b 11 centimeter, that is, and perimeter is 32, so here we put 32 is equal to a is what? 8, b is what? 11 plus c, right as it is. So we have this is 19 plus c, that is the value of c is what? 32 minus 19, so we get c is equal to 13. No, 13 centimeter. In this way, dear student, we find all of its three sides of the given triangle, like 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 13 centimeter respectively. Okay, this is, we find all three sides of the triangle. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to n square root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c respectively. And now we find the semi perimeter s, and we know that the value of semi perimeter is half of the perimeter. Here the value of s is what? Half of the perimeter, 32 upon 2, that is 16. So the value of s is what? 16 centimeter. Now we put the value. Look, this is 16 into 16 minus a means 8 into 16 minus b means 11. 16 minus c means 13. We put all the values. Now we simplify them. This is 16 into 16 minus 8, that is 8 into 16 minus 11. So 5, here 16 minus 13, that is 3. That is 3. Now look, in square root we can write 16 as it is here. 8 we can write 4 into 2. We write 5 into 3. Okay, so now look, from 16 we take 4 as common, because 4 is the square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 4 is 2, and under root 5 to the 10th is 30 is left, and we get what? 8 into under root 30 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, dear students, so in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. So please, dear students, do more and more practices and complete your NCERT exercise and do more and more practices of the questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions. The perimeter of a triangular field the perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meter. Is 450 meter, and its sides are in the ratio, and its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. 13:12:5. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. So first of all, let us consider its sides are 13x, 12x and 5x respectively. 5x respectively. That is, its perimeter is equal to sum of its all sides 13x plus 12x plus 5x respectively. 5 is respectively. Now we put the value of its perimeter, which is given as 450. This is 450 is equal to 13, 12, that is 25, 5, 30x. So here we have 30x. Now this x is equal to 450 upon 30, 0, 0 cancel to each other. This is 15. So the value of x is what? 15. Thus the sides of triangle, the sides of the triangle are a is equal to 13x. So here 13 into the value of x is 15. So we have 190 5 meters First sides of the triangle is 95, 190. Second, B is what? 12x, that is 12 into x is what? 15. 180 meter, and the third sides of the triangle is what? This is 5x. So this is 5 into 15, that is this is 75 meter. So in this way, dear students, we find all three sides of the triangle, like A 195 meter, B 180 meter, and C 75 meter. Now we find the value of its area by using the Heron's formula. Look, thus by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is given by the formula, you know that, as S minus A, S minus B, and S minus E. So we put, and the value of its perimeter is given as 450. Yes, the semi perimeter is 225, means 450 upon 2, that is 225 meter. So now we put here, this is 225 into, this is 225 minus A is what? 195 into S minus B. B is what? This is 180 into S minus C. S is what? 225. C is what? 75. Now we simplify them. That is, we get as 225 into 225 minus 195 is 0. This is 30 minus, here we get as 5. This is into 5, and 5 to carry 12. This is 4. This is 45 into, and here we get 0, and this is 5 and 1. So after subtracting them, we get 225 into 30 into 45 into 150. Now look, you know that the square root of 225 is 15, so we can write in this way, and 30 we can write 30 as 15 into 2. 45 we can write 9 into 5, and 150 we can write 15 into 10, means 2 into 5. We can write in this way. Now look, from 225 we take 15 is common, because of the square root of 225 is 15, so 15 is common. Now here 15 is in pair to 15, 115 is also common from these, and now 2 is also in pair, so 2 is common out from the square root. The square root of 9 is equal to 3, and 5 is in pair, so 5 common out from the square root. Now we just multiply them. This is 225 into 3 to the 6, 5 the 30. Okay, now we get 6,750 meter square. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve that type of questions. Now, dear friends, in next class we take and discuss some other important chapter of your syllabus, and solve some important questions. Okay, now thanks to all.